Hello everybody, it's Monday, June 7th. It's Monday night. Just want to quickly recap of what's going on with gold in the SP 500. Right now we've got this large, more or less, cup and handle that's formed here in the past about 8 months. And right now we're forming this handle pattern. And once this handle is broken, we could see gold surge several $100s. Not saying it'll surge overnight or within a week, but it'll be en route for a steady climb to the $1,300, $1,400, $1,500 area. That's kind of a multi-month projection, but that's what we're looking for. If we zoom into today, we can see we had this spike right over here with the gold price today. Silver had a nice pop as well. What we're seeing here is gold's testing the high. We've got this handle, and I think if gold breaks out here, we might see a pop and we might get a test back down somewhere into this level or test the high here at 1250. But we're going to be looking to take a long position. Today was a pretty good move, and it stopped just before it broke that high, so it's taking a bit of a breather. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Either way, eventually we'll find a low risk entry point. I don't think jumping in here after a $30, $40 move straight up is a good idea right now. So I'm just going to look for an entry point. There's always going to be more entry points. Just because gold goes up doesn't mean we need to be in it right away. We can make just as much money down the road with it going up $10 or dropping or moving in either direction, really. So I don't stress too much about missing this move. Yeah, it's a little frustrating to see it take off for sure right after our stops got triggered there, but we did have a nice run up for the first section of it. Right now it's trading at resistance. I don't want to jump in and buy at resistance. If we do get some type of pullback or this handle forms for another month or two, we could have some great opportunities to get in. But today was a big panic day. Everybody flocked to gold, jumped in, and of course it sent it straight up. And along with silver did the same. So that's what I see with gold. As for the SP 500, if we look at the hourly chart here, overall we are in a downtrend. Market internals over the past couple weeks, everything's extremely oversold, so I've been looking for a low risk entry point. We did have an entry point a while ago back in here. We had another entry point here, and today we've sold down, and we are looking to go long in here, this area, with a stop set below the May lows here. So we're going to see what happens as things unfold. But if we take a look at current price action here, and I'll zoom into the 5-minute chart, we saw today the S&P dropped very sharply, and right after the market closed we're getting a nice drift up, a low volume drift in. We'll most likely head up to the 1057 area. It'll be a key pivot level and where we'll find resistance. So if I just draw that on the chart here, pretty much 1060, possibly the 1057 would be a much easier target to reach. But that's what I'm seeing there for the SP 500, and we might actually see another wave down. So we want to be really cautious here. If the market does bottom, there's lots of room for stocks and everything to rally. So I think taking short, quick profits on if buying on a dip, selling on a rally or drift. This is kind of like a funny angle drift on light volume into resistance. Taking money off up here and possibly playing a short side down would probably be a pretty good play here. So I want to be very cautious. It's nice to try and pick a bottom here, but I think just scalping and taking some small positions for a quick profit and possibly reversing to the downside on what this price action is showing here with the drift up into resistance with no volume. So that's what I see there. I just wanted to give you guys an update. Hopefully we'll have either a good buy signal or a nice short signal coming up, and we'll take advantage of the market. Anyways, talk to you guys later. Bye bye.